Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Yotpo on Shopify. First, you will need to connect your existing Yotpo account to your Shopify store. This initial step is crucial for seamless integration. Then, navigate to the Shopify App Store and install the Yotpo app. It is a straightforward process that typically takes only a few minutes. Finally, ensure your current Shopify theme is fully compatible with Yotpo's integration to avoid any display issues. This foundational work sets you up for success. Once Yotpo is installed, the next step is to get your review widgets live on your store. You will want to add the main Yotpo Reviews widget to all your product pages. This allows customers to see and submit reviews directly. Take some time to customize the appearance of these widgets, ensuring they perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. Additionally, configure the automatic review request emails to send out after a customer makes a purchase, encouraging valuable feedback. Beyond basic reviews, Yotpo offers several advanced features to enhance your store. Consider implementing star ratings on your collection pages and even within search results to boost visibility. Setting up a dedicated queue and a section on product pages allows customers to ask questions and receive direct answers, building trust. Furthermore, explore integrating Yotpo with other marketing tools, such as email service providers, to create a more cohesive and powerful customer engagement strategy across all your platforms. Before going live, thorough testing is absolutely essential. Navigate through your Shopify store and test all Yotpo widgets on various product and collection pages to ensure they display correctly. Crucially, verify that your automatic review request emails are sending out as expected and reaching customers. Once everything is confirmed, you can confidently launch. Remember to continuously monitor initial performance and actively gather customer feedback to optimize your Yotpo setup over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.